Hey Tom, what are you doing?
I have a deadline tomorrow. I have to complete this Python code on time.
Huh? Python code? I don't get it.
Well, Sophia, basically, a code is a computer program.
I still didn't get it. I would like to know more about that.
A computer program is basically a set of instructions that we give to a computer to tell it what to do. Without instructions, a computer is just a dumb piece of hardware. It's the commands what we give it, and that make it useful.
What type of commands you give?
Well, you can do what you want. You can create web pages, create games. Also, it helps to do your homework.
Wow, that sounds great. So what if I give command to a computer, create games? Will computer do it for me?
Yeah, but there is a catch. As humans use language to communicate, computers do have languages to communicate. We have to give instructions to the computer in a language they can understand. And this language is called programming language.
Can you give me some examples of programming language?
There are so many programming languages we can use, such as QBasic, C programming, C++ programming, and Python. Well, Python language is more popular at this time.
Oh, that's what you meant by I have to complete Python code on time. But why only Python?
That's a good question. There are a number of things that makes Python useful. Let us see some advantages of Python. It's quick and efficient. It doesn't require use of lots of symbols. Secondly, it is user-friendly. It has interactive shell in which you can enter programs and run them. It also has turtle modules for kids learning. It also has tkinter for animation and program. Python also provides services for data sciences, deep learning, and artificial intelligence AI.
It seemed to be very interesting. And I'm very excited to learn it now.
Sure, we will continue it in our next session.
The information you gave me about programming and Python was very useful. Thank you for that.
Most welcome, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends.